C-level executives isn't difficult because they're unreachable. It's difficult because most outreach messages simply don't matter to them. Executives receive hundreds of emails every week, and they ignore anything that feels generic, sales-driven, or irrelevant. That's why in this blog, I focus on what actually gets their attention: relevance and value. The first key is personalization. C-level executives don't respond to templates. They respond to messages that show you understand their business. For example, instead of saying, "We help companies improve efficiency," which tells them nothing, a stronger approach is to say, "I noticed your company is expanding into new markets. We recently helped a similar organization reduce outbound costs by 27% during that phase." That's the difference between noise and relevance. The second key is leading with value, not a pitch. Executives aren't interested in product demos or feature lists. Instead of asking for time up front, offer something useful first: an insight, a benchmark, or a trend that applies to their role. For example, saying, "I wanted to share a short insight on how leaders in your industry are improving pipeline quality," builds credibility before you ask for a conversation. This value-first approach shows respect for their time and positions you as a peer, not a salesperson. In the blog, I also cover what to avoid, like over-following up, using buzzwords, or making the message all about you. When outreach is personalized and value-driven, response rates improve, even at the C-suite level. If you want practical frameworks, real examples, and proven strategies to approach CEOs, CMOs, and CTOs the right way, read the full blog on TargetNXT. I'm Krista Grace, and this is how you connect with decision makers who matter.